Cooking should not steal your time or drain your budget. This month, Amazon is packed with kitchen devices that quietly cut prep time, reduce daily costs, and make routines feel lighter without changing how you cook. These are smart upgrades that work in the background while you stay in control. If practical kitchen finds are your thing, make sure you are subscribed, support the channel with a like, and let us know in the comments which upgrade fits your kitchen best. You will find every product link in the description. Let us begin with the first tool that starts saving time the moment it hits your counter. A crowded freezer quietly wastes time every single day. Stacked containers tip, bags leak, and leftovers disappear into frozen chaos. This tool changes that moment fast. The YouCopia FreezeUp freezer food block maker turns soups, sauces, and meals into clean, flat blocks that freeze evenly and store upright. Each mold holds 2 cups, keeping bags open so filling stays neat and controlled. As food freezes, the flexible bands expand, then release smoothly when the block is ready. The result is a slim shape that stacks with intention, defrosts faster, and keeps everything visible at a glance. Your freezer feels calmer, organized, and predictable again. No bulky containers, no guessing games, just smarter meal prep that protects your food and your time. It also cuts waste by helping you use what you freeze instead of forgetting it. This is the kind of small kitchen system that quietly pays for itself, especially during busy weeks. It feels intentional every time you open the door. And that daily sense of order starts with a simple upgrade that costs $15.99. Snack moments often start with good intentions and end in clutter. Open bowls, mixed flavors, and constant trips back to the kitchen. This divided serving tray changes that rhythm. Each section keeps snacks separated, visible, and fresh, while the clear lid protects everything during transport. The built-in handle lets you move it smoothly from kitchen to table, sofa, or car without losing balance. Fruits stay bright, candies stay clean, and savory bites keep their place. It even turns casual snacking into a composed charcuterie moment that feels planned, not rushed. A small upgrade that brings calm and order for $15.99. Food waste rarely looks dramatic. It happens quietly when leftovers lose freshness and freezer space fills with bulky bags. This handheld vacuum sealer shifts that pattern instantly. Compact, cordless, and easy to store, it seals food with a tight, fresh lock using a single press, keeping meals usable far longer. The reusable bags hold their seal reliably, so flavors stay intact and textures feel right when it is time to cook again. Its small size fits naturally in a drawer, a travel bag, or a camping setup, giving you control whether you are meal prepping at home or packing efficiently on the go. Freezer space feels intentional, ingredients last longer, and planning meals becomes simpler instead of reactive. It is one of those kitchen upgrades that works quietly but changes habits fast, saving food before it turns into waste and money before it disappears. That everyday sense of order and preservation comes together for $17.99. Grime builds up quietly in corners most tools never reach. This handheld steam cleaner tackles those spots with pure steam, lifting dirt from tile, grout, glass, fabric, and kitchen surfaces using water alone. The on-demand trigger gives control, so cleaning feels precise and intentional. No chemical smells, no residue, just a fresh clean that feels safer around kids and pets for $54.99. Mornings feel different when coffee slows you down in the right way. This stainless steel French press turns brewing into a calm ritual, delivering a rich, aromatic cup with depth you can actually taste. Its multi-level filtration keeps grounds out while letting natural oils shine, so every pour feels smooth and balanced. No cords, no pods, no noise, just hot water, a gentle press, and full control over your brew. The clear glass lets you watch the process, adding a quiet moment before the day starts. It also works beautifully for loose leaf tea, whether you are at home, at the office, or traveling light. Cleanup stays simple, and the design feels timeless on any counter. A small daily upgrade that brings cafe character into your routine for $29.99. Knives often end up hidden, stacked, or awkwardly crowded in drawers. A magnetic knife block brings them back into view with purpose and balance. Crafted from solid acacia wood, the double-sided magnetic surface holds blades firmly in place, keeping everything visible, stable, and easy to reach. Each knife has its own space, which speeds up prep and protects sharp edges at the same time. An integrated sharpener adds a quiet layer of readiness right on the counter. The design feels refined rather than bulky, improving flow, safety, and visual order every single day for $74.99. Tea feels different when the process becomes part of the experience. A clear glass teapot like this turns brewing into a calm, visual moment, where leaves slowly open and color builds right before your eyes. Crafted with heat-resistant borosilicate glass, it handles stovetop or microwave use while keeping flavors pure and clean. The removable glass infuser allows loose leaves to expand fully, releasing aroma without altering taste. Pouring feels controlled and smooth thanks to the balanced spout and insulated wooden handle, so serving stays relaxed and precise. Cleanup never interrupts the ritual, since the glass stays clear and easy to wash after every use. With enough capacity to share, tea time feels intentional rather than rushed. It even adapts well to herbal blends or warm drinks beyond tea. A quiet upgrade that adds elegance to daily pauses, available for $22.49. Breakfast prep often turns messy right when timing matters most. Batter spills, portions vary, and the counter pays the price. A premium batter dispenser brings calm back to pancakes, waffles, crepes, and muffins. The wide opening makes filling quick, while clear markings help control portions with confidence. Pouring feels steady thanks to the ergonomic grip, and the shutoff valve keeps drips off the stove and off your hands. Each press delivers clean results that cook evenly. A small baking upgrade that feels refined, coming together for $29.99. Egg cartons often disappear into the back of the fridge, cracked or forgotten. A rolling egg holder fixes that flow. Eggs glide forward one at a time, staying visible, protected, and easy to grab without shifting shelves. The clear top shows what is left at a glance, removing guesswork during busy mornings. Refilling stays simple with the removable inner tray, while the stackable shell keeps everything aligned. The fridge feels calmer, access feels smoother, and nothing goes to waste, all for $24.99. Chopping and slicing usually means stopping and scraping the bowl. That pause slows everything down. A food processor like this keeps prep moving smoothly. The built-in bowl scraper pulls ingredients back into the blades while it runs, so results stay even without extra tools. Vegetables, sauces, and purees come together faster, keeping the counter cleaner and the process under control. A smart kitchen upgrade that earns its space for $69.95. Mornings feel smoother when coffee is already working for you. A drip coffee maker with a built-in Burr grinder turns whole beans into fresh aroma right before brewing, so every cup starts with depth and balance. Brewing adjusts easily whether you want a single mug or a full carafe, while strength and grind settings let flavor match your mood. The programmable timer brings coffee ready when you are, and the keep warm function holds that just brewed taste longer. It feels like a cafe routine made effortless at home, coming together for $149.99. Grilling usually waits for good weather and extra time. An indoor electric grill brings that experience straight to the kitchen. The non-stick surface heats quickly and holds a steady temperature so meats sear evenly, while vegetables cook with color and flavor. The raclette option adds a cozy touch, letting cheese melt while food grills above. Perfect for relaxed dinners or small gatherings. Grease drains away naturally, keeping meals lighter and cleanup easier. It is a simple way to enjoy grilled food more often, without smoke or stress, for $55.99. Cooking meat often feels like a guessing game that ends too early or too late. A smart wireless thermometer like Chef IQ Sense removes that tension completely. The ultra-thin probe tracks doneness in real time using multiple sensors, reading both the inside of the protein and the surrounding heat. Progress stays visible through Wi-Fi, so cooking continues even while you step away. Flip alerts, rest timing, and guided presets keep everything on track without hovering over the grill or oven. Built to handle extreme heat, it works across barbecues, smokers, air fryers, and roasts with calm precision. That level of certainty in the kitchen lands for $62.96. Big meals start long before the first boil. Soups simmer, stocks develop depth, and vegetables need space to breathe. A stainless steel stock pot like this supports that process with calm control. The 6-quart capacity handles family-sized cooking, while the steamer insert lifts ingredients gently, keeping textures intact. Food-grade stainless steel keeps flavors clean and reliable. while the glass lid lets you watch progress without lifting heat away. Inside markings remove guesswork, so liquid levels stay consistent as recipes build. The silicone handle remains comfortable to hold, even during longer cooking sessions, and the sturdy construction feels reassuring on any cooktop. When the meal is done, everything stacks neatly, freeing cabinet space instead of filling it. It is a versatile piece that quietly becomes the backbone of daily cooking, turning slow meals into confident routines. That dependable upgrade settles into your kitchen for $54.99. Frying at home often feels intimidating before it even starts. Oil splatter, uneven heat, and constant checking take the fun out of it. A deep fryer like this restores confidence to the process. The enclosed design with a clear viewing window lets you monitor food as it cooks, keeping heat and oil exactly where they belong. Adjustable temperature control gives you steady results, whether you are crisping fries, frying chicken, or finishing snacks evenly. The powerful heating element brings oil up to temperature quickly, so food cooks fast instead of soaking. Cool touch handles keep everything comfortable and controlled during use, while the detachable basket makes lifting and draining simple. When cooking is done, cleanup does not linger since key parts go straight into the dishwasher. It turns frying into a repeatable, reliable routine instead of a messy event. That kind of kitchen confidence comes together for $44.99. Open snack bags rarely stay neat after the first use. Chips spill, cereal scatters, and sealing never feels secure. A food clip set with a built-in pour spout fixes that small daily frustration. The clip locks onto bags firmly, keeping contents fresh, while the flip-top opening lets snacks pour cleanly without removing the seal. No mess, no extra bowls, just controlled portions straight from the bag. Made to be reused, washed, and stacked easily, it keeps drawers calmer and snacks organized. One of those tiny kitchen helpers that makes everyday routines smoother for $8.99. Air frying for a crowd often means cooking in rounds and waiting longer than planned. An extra-large oven air fryer basket changes that flow. The elevated mesh design lets hot air circulate evenly, creating crisp results without flipping or excess oil. Fries, vegetables, chicken, and reheated meals brown consistently while the tray below catches grease, keeping the oven cleaner. Stainless steel construction feels solid and releases food easily after cooking. With added parchment sheets to simplify cleanup, everyday meals and hosting feel more efficient, controlled, and far less messy, all for $36.99. Hot days instantly feel better when ice turns light and fluffy instead of chunky and uneven. A portable ice shaver like this transforms regular cubes into snow-like texture for drinks that feel refreshing and playful. Sharp stainless steel blades shave quickly with smooth control, creating slushies, snow cones, and chilled cocktails in minutes. The manual design keeps everything simple, working anywhere without power while staying easy to clean and store. Included ice trays prepare perfectly sized cubes, so results stay consistent every time. It brings a small moment of fun to everyday drinks and casual gatherings, all wrapped into a compact tool that delivers instant refreshment for $18.04. Baking feels different when every pan works together and nothing sticks. A complete bakeware set like this brings calm to cookies, cakes, roasts, and muffins with pieces that stack neatly and heat evenly. The diamond texture promotes consistent browning, while the non-stick surface releases food cleanly, keeping results polished and predictable. Each pan feels sturdy in hand, built to hold shape through repeated bakes without warping. Cleanup stays manageable, and storage stays tidy, so the kitchen looks as good as what comes out of the oven. It turns everyday baking into a composed routine that feels refined and reliable, all wrapped in a gold finish that elevates the counter for $59.99. Meal prep usually spreads across the counter with extra bowls and constant wiping. A bamboo cutting board set like this brings everything back into one place. 3 different sizes cover fruits, vegetables, and full meals, while the built-in compartments hold chopped ingredients or seasonings as you work. Deep juice grooves keep liquids contained, so the surface stays clean and controlled. The thick bamboo construction feels solid and dependable, doubling easily as a serving board for casual gatherings. Prep feels organized, efficient, and calmer, turning everyday cooking into a smoother routine for $25.63.